One of the things we like to learn about is God's world, and the world consists of lots and lots of mechanical actions that we see. For example, when we drop something, we notice that it falls, and we kind of ask ourselves, gee, why is that? And what can we expect if we drop something on our head? Will it hurt? Well, of course, the answer is yes. But if you want to study it a little bit more precisely, then you want to study physics. And physics, as a matter of fact, can get extremely esoteric and extremely theoretical. But the way high school physics was when I was in high school, and the way it is here with the textbook we currently use, it's very intuitive and easy to follow because we are basically talking about mechanics. Now, you do need to know some math. It's assumed that you've been through Algebra 2. You understand how to work with trigonometric functions a little bit, because after all, we're talking about vector addition. But the reality is the physics class that we do here is really fun and interesting, and you learn a great deal about what happens in everyday life. Because in everyday life we, ride our bike down a hill, take a roller coaster, see light reflected off a mirror. All of these things are phenomena that can be studied with experiments that you can really get your hands on. Very little theory, quite a bit of good, practical, solid knowledge that you can take with you when you go to the ballot box, or when you go off to college, or when you go off to your job. So I would recommend that everybody dabble in enough physics to say, yes, I've taken physics. And then if you decide that you want to study ancient history for the rest of your life, go to, because at least you'll have a good liberal education. Thank you very much.